Hey guys, and welcome back to yet another video. In this video I'm going to talk about a very important thing, that is drop in idle RPM. Ideally there is no such service interval of cleaning a throttle body. Basically you can clean the throttle body every 15,000 kilometers or so, but considering the environment you are living in, it may be earlier than 15,000. So I am clocking about 11,000 now, and I'm facing the same issues with my CB300F. So the RPM is dropping suddenly, and sometimes the engine stalls. And when I'm cruising in highest gear at about 4,000 RPM, the bike is not running smoothly. So the RPM is fixed, but the bike is struggling to uh, give out a uniform speed. Okay, so in that scenario I think it's a throttle body issue. So what we are going to do here is remove the throttle body from the bike entirely. We're not going to remove the airbox only and spray it from the other side. We're going to remove it completely. I'll show you step by step. Even I'm doing it for the first time. I don't have any manual as such, so it will be a trial and error and experimental video. And I'll end of the day I'll show you how to do it properly, and then we'll clean the throttle body and let's see if it solves the issue or not. And I'm going to use 3M throttle body cleaner. You can get it from Amazon. The link will be down in the description box. So yeah, let's do it. So first of all we need to remove the side covers. So for that we need to remove this screw from here, and then just pull from here. Just give it a push and it's out. Do the same thing for the other side also, and you can see the K-hin throttle body here. To remove this, there is a clip right here. You have to press it and pull it downward. Like this, and it will be removed, as you can see. Let me give you a clear view. So this is the clip. You have to push it right here. Remove this airbox joint screw from here. What are the couplers you have to remove before removing this entire thing from the bike? So one coupler is here, the injector coupler. One coupler is here, so this is a coupler. So the tricky part is to remove this one from the airbox. As you can see, I have not removed the tank, so it was very tricky to remove the entire thing, but it is doable. So first what you have to do, you have to remove the couplers, is these three couplers, and then you have to remove these two 10 mm bolts, uh, these two 10 mm bolts, so that the intake manifold detaches from the engine side, and then you have to slide the front side like this, and then you have to pull it out. And meanwhile you also have to remove the fuel pump connector, and for that let me show you. This is the clip. You have to remove this clip from here, like it will go like this. First you have to remove this one, and then this pipe will pop out, and also you have to remove this pipe from the throttle body from here. Okay, and then you have to assemble everything back again, and make sure to use a lubricant over here because this is pretty tight. This was the main tricky part, to remove the throttle body from the this air duct. This is after 11,000 kilometers. This is the condition of intake manifold. And this is our injector. Be easy with the injector. Just quite a few sprays and it's looking like new. There's some amount of deposit over the injector hole right here that might require a little bit of scrubbing or brush wash, but rest of it, it's absolutely like new. It's amazing, man. Sure. Huge amount of carbon deposit, and this 3M cleaner did an excellent job of cleaning the throttle body for about next 15,000 kilometers, for the next 15,000 kilometers or so, and it's absolutely clean now. Just a little bit of grime over here, as you can see, but this is just a stain. No carbon deposit over here or any other ports. I have not removed any of the sensors from here because I don't think they are necessary, or they need to be cleaned and as early stage of the life of the vehicle. You have to clean the throttle plate because in idle condition, when the throttle is closed and it's idling, so there is very little amount of opening over the both ends of the butterfly valve, so the opening is very small. So whenever there is carbon deposit over here, they tends to choke a little bit and the idle rpm drops and the performance is not as smooth as it used to be. So there's that, and now let's move on to the bike and fix everything back in, and let's have a test ride. So this is the throttle body and this is the injector. After the full assembly, as you can see, the inside of this throttle body is neat and clean.